Yeah, so. Is the switch in back here? Do you know how to turn it on?
You know how to turn that fan on?
Where? Where?
It's this knob. It's
the round knob.
Oh, hold on. That one right here. Oh yes, there we go.
Turn it on more, it'll go faster.
Yeah, this is low speed.
Or you want fast?
I want to go through medium and high. Just turn on medium.
Mom. Well,
How are you?
good. Are you? Okay, so Brandon's doing a demonstration of this one back here. Sadly,
Yeah.
I never get to do it. Get the whole demonstration. I'm just gonna start filming. I think it's like on medium-ish.
Okay, this is This looks like medium, so.
It's kind of a medium-ish roll. Also, did you see the controls for the ones in the main hardware store? They're kind of
Yeah.
I got them in my video. Yeah. The
We
ones
actually have a workshop.
You want to go higher?
Yeah.
just the one here.
Yeah, full speed now. I guess this is.
Want to get air movement?
Actually, don't work there anymore. I just have everything in the back of
This is an HRS, right? Or is it Newtone? I thought I saw an HRS sticker up there.
It might be
Alright, well this is full speed now. So we're not going to do spin down because
I'll get it.
Did you just turn it off?
Yeah.
Alright, we need to get going, so we're not going to do spin down.
Yep, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.